Hi, this is Trisha from Cube Her Way. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to solve for the white corners. We currently have our white cross done. If you do not have your white cross done, go ahead and check out that video. So we have our white cross done. We're going to go ahead and position that one on the bottom away from us. And now we are looking here at the top at any corner that has white in it. So we'll go ahead and start with this corner here. We have a white, blue, and orange. And so you want to position it over the area that you want to put it. So in this case, we have orange and blue. So it's actually in the corner that we want it to, and we want to bring it down. So there are a series of moves that you can use to help position the corner. Another way to think about it is you are going to be taking out this corner and replacing it. So that is what this set of moves does. For the moment, we are going to take a look at the position of this white. So if the white is here on the left, then you'll perform the move in your left hand. If the white were here on the right, we would perform it in our right hand. If it was here at the top, we'd perform it in our right hand. So in this case, it is on the left, so we are going to do the set of moves in our left hand. So now you're going to think about your hand position. So here with my right hand, I'm going to put my thumb here in the center, and then we'll put it in the center back here. And then here with my left hand, I'm going to put my thumb on the bottom and my third finger here at the top. And we are going to go up, pushing it to the right, and then we'll bring it back down, and then we'll push that top to the left. So we can see that our corner piece has been positioned where we want it. So let's go ahead and look for another corner piece with white on it. So we have one here, white, orange, and green. So we want to make sure we're in the right centers. We are not. So let's go ahead and move it here. So we now have it positioned with our orange and green center here. So again, this white piece is located on the left. So I'm going to do this with my left hand. So we're going to go up, pushing the top to the right, coming down on our left, and then pushing the top to the left here. And we can see that our corner piece has been positioned right. So now we are looking for more white pieces. We have one right here. We are looking at green and red, so we'll need to position it there. Again, we have this located on the left side, so we are going to do those moves with our left hand. So we are going to go up, pushing to the right. We're going to go down on the left, and then pushing that top to the left. So we have our corner piece positioned. We have one more here. We'll position it over our corner that we want to move. And again, we have it positioned on the left. For demonstration here, I am going to do those moves here on the right. So it is the opposite of the left, but we're doing it with our right hand. So again, you'll have your thumb positioned on the bottom and top. Left hand is going to be thumb in the center and the back center here. And so we are going to go up with the right, to the left with the top, down with the right, to the right with the top. So in this case, we are not positioned correctly. And then you'll just continue to perform those moves again. So we'll go up with the right, left with the top, down with the right, right with the top. And we'll continue to perform it up to the left, down with the right, to the right. So we see it hasn't been solved yet, so we'll go ahead and do that again. Up to the left, down to the right with the top. And then now we can see that our white is positioned on the right side. And so in this case, we got one more move and it will be solved down there. So we'll go up, pushing the top to the left. We'll bring the right down, pushing the top to the right, and we can see that our corner has been solved. So now we have our cross and our white corners completed, and now we see that our bottom layer is done. The next step is you'll want to work on this second layer. Be sure to check out my video on how to solve the second layer of our 3x3 cube.